I've always believed in family first. That's why, 8 years ago, when my daughter Emma came to me in tears, begging for help, I didn't hesitate. I lent her $20,000, which we both agreed she would pay back once she got on her feet. To make it official, we even signed a loan agreement. Fast forward 8 years, and Emma is now a successful marketing executive. She drives a brand new SUV, just bought a beautiful house, and takes luxury vacations. However, she hasn't repaid a single cent of that loan. But now, I find myself in a bind. The roof of my house is leaking, the plumbing is shot, and I need $20,000 to cover the repairs. So I swallowed my pride and called Emma. Hey, sweetheart, I hate to bring this up, but I really need that loan repaid. The house is falling apart and I need to get these repairs done. Mom, you got Dad's life insurance money after he passed away. You should be fine. I thought we had an understanding. I was stunned. Emma, that money went to cover Dad's medical bills and funeral expenses. The little that was left has been used for day-to-day living. This loan agreement was a promise, and I really need it back now. Emma sighed. I'm sorry, Mom. I just don't have that kind of money lying around. Maybe you can take out a loan or something? Then it hit me. Maybe it was time for a little lesson in responsibility. The next day, I went through my old files and found the loan agreement we both signed. I decided to take legal action, but not before trying one last time to resolve things amicably. I sent Emma a letter, reminding her of the agreement and the importance of keeping her promises. I gave her a month to come up with a repayment plan. A month passed, and I heard nothing. No calls, no texts, not even an email. It was clear she wasn't going to budge, so I contacted a lawyer. We filed a small claims court case against her. Emma was served the papers at work, which I knew would embarrass her, but I felt I had no other choice. The court date arrived, and Emma showed up looking furious. Mom, how could you do this to me? She hissed as we sat waiting for our case to be called. I didn't want it to come to this, Emma, but you left me no choice. The judge listened to both sides. I presented the signed loan agreement, and Emma didn't have a leg to stand on. The judge ruled in my favor and ordered Emma to repay the loan in full. As we left the courthouse, Emma barely looked at me. I hope you're happy, Mom. I'm not happy, Emma. I'm disappointed it had to come to this. But you needed to learn that actions have consequences. A week later, I received the first payment from Emma. I used it to start the much-needed repairs on my house. But I didn't stop there. I decided to take my small victory a step further. I knew Emma loved her fancy SUV, so I bought a bumper sticker that read, "I don't repay loans to my own mother." I placed it on her car one night while she was sleeping. The next day, she called me fuming. Mom, what the hell is this? Just a reminder, Emma, pay what you owe and maybe I'll reconsider my creative additions to your life. From that point on, Emma made her payments on time. Our relationship was strained, but I hoped that one day she'd understand the importance of keeping promises and respecting those who help you when you're in need. And maybe, just maybe, she'd grow up a little. Am I the asshole for taking my own daughter to court and humiliating her with a bumper sticker? Maybe. But sometimes tough love is the only way to teach a lesson that should have been learned long ago. I admit that the bumper sticker was just messy payback, but my relationship with her was already shot. What would you have done?